Alright, we've got this set up in auto mode. This can be mounted on a pipe that screws in here, comes out, and you can push stock in until it hits this button, and then it'll start running right automatically. This is a customized piece here. Doesn't have any adjustment on the wheel. Normally there would be a screw in the middle to move that up at Vise, but it's not there. So the piece to mount this stop is with the saw. I'll show you on the video here in a second. Everything else is manual, can be manually operated as well. And it has contactors for a conveyor, which you can operate right here in manual, but the conveyor is not with the saw. It would need to be another piece. All the controls are there for it. So this moves pretty easily. Make sure that it clears when this comes down. The vise has to be closed for the frame to lower in manual mode. There's your vise travel. Hit the frame or the blade start and then frame lower to start in auto. This will adjust your feed rate down. There's their belt, change the speed. This is the piece to use for the stop that mounts on the front. Right there is the button that will start in auto mode. The reason for this bucket is the tray here actually leaks out the bottom. You see it dripping down there. That's something that you want to get repaired if you want to use that tray. So that pretty much covers it.